This 2024 Winnebago Forza 36H is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 38 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 8, external shower, awning, smoke detector, water heater, DVD player, Skylight, microwave, TV, slide-out, LP detector, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Forza 36H is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.